Hello everyone, I'm so excited because this pet carry-on from the PetAmi brand, I just love it. It's amazing, you know? So here you can store almost everything. Just anything you need, anything you want to carry on for your pet. Look, it has a lot of compartments here, a lot of compartments over here as well. This PetAmi did the work. So here, let me show you. It also comes with this PetAmi water bottles for your pet. So you can just store it like that. It's really easy to store them. And then these two go here. This is one, and this is for the other one. So you store that one. Those there, you can store here. You can store here as well. Here, I already want a hand store. Oh, it's heavy, right? This is the dry food for my pet. And it has two compartments. So it has two bags for those. These go all the way here. Then I have his favorite toy. This is for Oreo, my Labrador. This is also for Oreo, my Labrador. Yep. You know, I have a lot of toys for her. She needs to be really entertained. I have her treats. It goes there. I have her leash, and in case she needs to party as well. So I'm ready to go. This is the conch. Obviously, they deserve to be treated well. This is to clean it. I have another snacks. You can also use these ones if you want to store it right here. You can store it there. And then he has another treats. I have my other toys. Then you close it and you're just ready to go. It also has some straps so you can hold it either through the side, like here, or you can just wrap it into your shoulders and you're ready to go. Let's go.
So overall, this is a nice bag, you know, for a little storage if you're traveling. I got one issue with this bag, and the issue is, I'm going to show you right now. If I put this in here, yeah. You can't really put anything inside of these and then open it if they fall out. So you might have to come up with something to close these. But overall, I would say it's a pretty nice bag. I'm obsessed with Ava's new diaper bag. So many pockets. Bowls. Food tote. There's 2 of them. No. She's excited.